see my acne every single day, okay? I see it. It hurts me, hurts my feelings, and now I'm becoming even more sad because you're pointing out my flaws, and I was just trying to have a good day. In this video, we're gonna be talking about makeup routines if you have acne-prone skin or dark spots like I have. So stick around for the rest of the video. Goodness, look at all of this acne. Don't we love it? Okay, so I'm gonna go on with my e.l.f. Jelly Pop primer, and if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my mirror. But like I said, I had a love-hate relationship with makeup, and I don't know, like growing up when I was little, my mom she was a Mary Kay consultant, so I'd always see her like get ready for those Mary Kay parties, and she had like a pantry in the basement just with Mary Kay products. So I thought Mary Kay was like the only makeup brand that ever existed. And so like when she would put on her makeup, I would just like watch her do her makeup. And I was like, God, she looks so pretty. I can't wait to wear makeup. So she let me have like that kitty makeup that you get like from Claire's or like Justice or Limited 2 makeup. That's just like glittery eyeshadow, like lip gloss. Remember Smackers? But then I wasn't allowed to wear makeup until I think it was sophomore year of high school. It was just eyeliner, mascara. And then I really started to get acne really bad. Now, looking at my skin now, it wasn't as severe as this, so then she introduced me to Bare Minerals, because then I was like, oh, there's more makeup brands out there. Awesome. So then we went into Bare Minerals. I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder just to kind of, I have oily skin, like very oily skin. So this is, you know, that method. It went around on TikTok, but it started before TikTok. I remember on YouTube they were like, if you have oily skin or like an oily T-zone, try this method. So the method is like, you moisturize, then you add the setting powder, setting spray, and then your primer. But I do it out of order. Like I moisturize, do my sunscreen, and then I do my primer, and then I do my setting powder. I don't know, I just like a protective layer on my face before I put makeup on there, and I think it's just like, it's just in my head. So you want to take your like setting powder, and you want to do a very, not too much, but a light layer, especially if you're going somewhere. I'm not going anywhere today because it is snowing outside and we are in a pandemic. So I'm not going anywhere, but just for this tutorial, I can do this. Take my setting spray. I want to try another setting spray. This is the Slay All Day. I think it's Gerard Cosmetics in lavender. Love lavender, but it's way too strong. But the Lancome. I thought it was Lancome. Did anybody else think that? The Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 15. Please put on sunscreen even if your foundation has it in there. And mine is 470 SUEC. If I can, there we go. So that's what I use. I'm gonna get you guys real close and personal in my face. Okay. I feel like with acne, you become kind of like it becomes a little like embarrassing. So you just like want to cover yourself in makeup. But the thing is like you have to give your skin a break. You have to give your skin a break. And I do want to say, like, if you have big pimples, some big juicy pimples on your face, I would take a pot concealer and dot it on your face and then go in with the foundation. Right now my skin is mostly dark spots. So I could have gone with the concealer on top, but I'm just gonna kind of layer it. So this is how I do my foundation. And I feel like this pandemic has been really hard. It's been really hard, but I feel like it's been, like, if you have skin issues, it's been a little easier because you don't have to really go out in public and people to point at your, do you guys have family members or friends that kind of point at your pimples? Like, it's really rude. As if you can't see yourself in a mirror. That's something that bothers me a lot, is I have family members that will literally point at my face and be like, ew, what's that? What happened to your face? It's like, hey toots. I see my acne every single day, okay? I see it. It hurts me, hurts my feelings, and now I'm becoming even more sad because you're pointing out my flaws. And I was just trying to have a good day and not try to think about it. I'm really liking that e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I was late on the game. Someone told me that you can't mix sulfur for acne. Sulfur, salicylic acid, and benzoyl peroxide. So I was not like mixing them, like concocting them, but like I was using the sulfur mask and the benzoyl peroxide acne control treatment and the salicylic toner. My skin, salicylic works wonders for my forehead area, my skin, and a little bit on my chin, but my skin was like, yo, what did you just do? Like, why are you doing this to us? And then hence the cheeks. I mean, I've never had my cheeks look like this before, and I was like, I know there's purging, but I didn't think it would be this bad. So I went to go see, because I got so frustrated. I was so like embarrassed. And I went to go see a medical esthetician. And it's medical because, you know, they work closely with doctors. I went to go see a medical esthetician. And she was like, yeah, you can't mix. I think that was like too harsh. Okay guys, I'm back. So with my eyebrows, I literally just fill them in a little bit. I went too high up with this one. And then I set it after I do my powder. So let's let my concealer sit a little bit to get extra coverage, because I do have dark circles under my eyes. And I use my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. If you want to get rid of these dark spots that you see I still have here, do the concealer first and then do your foundation. I'm kind of just like chilling today, so I was like, I don't mind if they peek through a little bit. Show my beauty marks, if you will. Okay, so with acne prone skin, you feel like if you're single, like you won't really be able to find a guy who will want to date you once he sees the makeup off, right? And I remember going through that same thing, just being ashamed. But then even if you're in a relationship, you still kind of go through that. Like, I hate that my boyfriend can see me without makeup sometimes, so it just like, he finds me so unattractive. But then he'll just be like, you're so beautiful, and you're working towards getting it cleared up, so that's all that matters. Like you're a liar. So that's nice, but you still feel it. You still feel insecure. That's like kind of adding on to your insecurities, which sucks. It really sucks. And then you compare yourself. We have to stop comparing ourselves. You start comparing yourself to your friends and all those things, and you're just like, oh, why don't they have acne? So that just sucks. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Alamar Cosmetics. This is a brightener. It's the Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. So Looks like this. It's really nice. So I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder just to kind of set my I think I'm gonna bring you guys real close. Y'all see me? I see you. Okay. I think I want to go in with my crease brush from Real Techniques. I think I'm gonna go into, I'm gonna do a nice, I'm gonna do a natural look, you know? I'm gonna go in the shade Grounded. Guys, yes, any guy, a lot of them will be like when they take you out to be like a trophy, if you know what I mean, around their guys, they do want you to look nice, right? Because they want other guys to be like, dang, I wish I was with her, you know what I mean? Or I wish I was him, you know? But they really like you in the natural, where you feel like you're looking homeless. They do, they really do. My boyfriend, like, he'll be like, you look so pretty. And I be in sweats, my hair not done, maybe some plaits, you know, a bunch of braids all over my head, protective styles. And he'll be like, oh, you're so beautiful. I'm like, babe, do you need to go to the eye doctor? I would say adding blush and highlight to acne-prone skin is hard because you're basically highlighting those points on your face, especially depending on where your acne is on your face. And that sucks. It sucks. Now they're set. Okay, so I have two mascaras, like I was saying, that I like. So I like the e.l.f. Lash It Loud mascara, really nice. I like it. But then my favorite one is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. As you can see, it is a favorite of mine. And I also have the primer to it, that's, you know, just white. I'm not gonna use the primer. Oh, I guess I can show you the primer. I'll go ahead and use that. So I just wanted to come for a quick second to show you what the primer looks like on my eyes. So yes, it is white. And you can definitely see how a big difference, if I turn this way and then turn this way. Okay, so I'm back. So you see the difference, like, it makes. It's really nice. I love it. I love it. Okay, so now we're gonna do my lip gloss, and I've been really into the Maybelline lifter glosses. It's apparently like a Fenty dupe. Not apparently, it is a Fenty dupe. Fenty, I love Fenty, but it is pricey. And these, I swear they're like $5, $10 or something like that. So I got one in Stone. Got one in Stone, and then I have one in Topaz that has like these like glittery shimmers in it, but you can't feel it at all. Really like them. I think with today's look, I'm gonna go with Topaz. So I like to get a brown liner. I think I'm gonna use one of my NYX or Maybelline brown liners. I think I'm gonna use my NYX. This is an Urban Cafe liner. Or should I use? I mean, either one goes, but I'm kind of feeling the Maybelline. What are you feeling? So this is the look, and yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? I do like the lip color a lot. So it's just like liner and like that Topaz lip gloss I used. So But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and comment and subscribe. That would help me so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.